The first thing we got to do is to remove the negative battery cable from the battery. Now you don't have to take the column covers off on this vehicle. This has got to be the most easiest lock cylinder you will ever take off. Let's put the key in, turn it. I'm using just a Phillips head screwdriver. There's an access hole right here on the bottom. Find the release button, and there it is. It's got to be the easiest lock cylinder you'll ever take off. Now why couldn't they all make them like that, huh? That's what you're saying. Okay, so that's all there is to removing a ignition lock cylinder from your PT Cruiser.